Guys, how are you? In today's video, I will show you how to set up Amazon Prime Video in your PC. Let's start. So, actually, there's no need for a rocket science, guys, for you to set up your Amazon Prime Video. For someone like me who's not that tech savvy, to be honest, I just went to like any browser. Like for example, I just need to go to Google, and then I just type on Amazon Prime for me to look for the website. The official website for Amazon Prime Video. So once you've searched them, you click on the very first option. So say, for example, I would sign out first, okay? Because once you click that, you would actually be led here. So the official website for Amazon Prime Video is www.primevideo.com. So once you're here, this is what you will see on your PC, okay? So if you have an account, you just need to sign in. If not, then you can click on start your free trial. And you can see there's a reminder here that you could always cancel your trial at any time. So once you click on that one, you would be led here and say, for instance, that you don't have an account yet, just create your Amazon account and then just fill in the information that you have in here. And then you create your Amazon account. However, I have a very small reminder that you cannot complete or finish your Amazon account if you don't put your payment details or payment method in there. So you just need to put your credit card or debit card details. And don't worry because they will not charge you until you're able to complete your 30-day trial. You could also set up either a reminder that before the day that they will be charged, you could already unsubscribe or cancel your account. And you know how to do that? You can just subscribe to our channel because we do have a lot of video tutorials how that's done. So there, I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.